All right. I think we are live. I think we are live. Let me go here and set up my phone so I can see all of the comments. I think we are live. All right. All right, family. This is Doc Favors here with another episode. What happened to Bitcoin? What happened to the run? We just did a video. If you all didn't see the video that I did yesterday evening, I want you to go back and watch it because I told you all what was going to happen. I told you all that we were going to have fear, people getting in and FOMO, and then people were going to scare sale, okay? And I'm telling you all that is exactly what went down. And so for those of you who are here, let's go ahead and get this channel up to, excuse me, guys. Let's go ahead and get this thing up. Y'all, I need y'all to do me a favor. I need you to like, subscribe to the channel, and I need you all to share it and like it so we can get these algorithms up. All right, so now that I have my phone here, I can see your comments, so I can comment and talk to you all in real time. So let me just go to the charts, y'all, and show you what's going on, because this is not the time to get scared. All right, I have to repeat that, and I have to stress that. This is not the time to get scared and start scared selling, because you're going to mess up your portfolio. You're going to mess up. And this is why I almost titled this the mindset of a trader. Okay, now let me go ahead and get this on, because something is happening right now that I want you all to see. All right, so for the SHIB Nation, first, let me go over here to Bitcoin and show you all what happened, guys. Let me go over here to let me see the day chart. Okay, what happened? What happened is this line right here is the all-time high for Bitcoin, right at 68,999, so about 69,000, right? And what happened is it went up, it tested, and then it rejected. And what happened? When it rejected, you had all the people who got in. Number one, I'm going to tell you about this huge candle too. When you see a huge engulfing candle like that, a falling star. But first of all, let me say this. I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't be your financial advisor. This is not me telling you what to buy, hold, or sell in any way, but this is just me sharing with you what I do and what I know and what I see, okay? So do me a favor, the transmission, and let's get this thing started. So yes, no, it's not the time to panic, guys, because here's how the market operates. The price went up here, and remember, this is crypto, okay? It's not your regular currencies. It's not NAS 100. There's not Euro USD or AUD JPY, which some of those move fast as well. But this one here, it went up, it tested and rejected that point through a wick, and then you got the people, as it started to come down, they got scared. They got scared, and what happens? Fear trading happens, fear selling happens, okay? So then understand that institutions, guys, I'm going to say something that you all don't know. If you're not a trader, if you haven't taken any of my courses, if you don't understand it, then here's what's going to happen. You don't know how the market moves. And that's why I tell you all, you need to get into some coaching programs. And that's why I teach you all the mindset of a trader, the psychology and philosophy of trading, so that I can get you all some financial literacy on these markets, man. So what happened? Institutional traders, when people see moves like this, when them big boy, the institutions, y'all, I'm not talking about retail traders. What they will do is get up here, take that piece, take that profit, and sell. And they sell and dump. When they dump it, it pushes it down. When the retail traders get scared and start selling, and those people who up here, then you should have gotten a profit. I told you all yesterday that I was going to take partial profits, and I did. Now, I'm going to also show you what to do in terms of a strategy, but let me just say this first. So the retail, they start selling off. Next thing you know, it pumps, it pushes. Then you got the fear sellers. They got in high. Okay, let me take this down to a 1 hour chart so y'all can see. You got some people who got in right here at this level, 66,000. Then some who got in at this level, 67, and it came up right here. And then I'm gonna get in and I'm gonna sell it real quick. And next thing you know, they sold. But then the ones who just got in around this time, what happens is this, you all, they get in and then they see this move and they get scared. And they come down here and they start selling off. See, they don't understand that this is nothing but the institutional guys testing the market, catching a little something, something, and then they coming down here. Now, let me give you all some strategy. Look at Bitcoin, what is happening right now. It's at 63,000. It dropped as low as 59,000 today. So then let me ask you a question. From 59,000 to where it is right now at 63, what happened? Who do you think can move candles this big? This is not retail traders, people. These are your institutions, your big banks, them traders, okay? So I want to show you all this, man. Y'all please pay attention to this. From this pivot level here to where price is right now, that's 6.58%, you all, okay? Who do you think can move traffic like that? So they get in, they tested the market, took some profit, came back in here, let all the fear sellers get out the way, and they hit it right back and loaded up. How do I know? Because I did the same thing. How do I know? Because that's what traders do. We buy the dip, sell the high, sell the news. So when it's high, you sell. When it's low, you buy. So what did I do? This is the time to load up. Somebody said, let them sell. I can get it more. Exactly. I did. That's what I did, you all, on both my positions. So now let's go over here and watch. The other ones did the same thing. Doge did the same thing. Ethereum did the same. Ethereum looks exactly like, I'm telling you. Now, this is trading, guys. But now, once again, you all, on all seriousness, once again, crypto is like the wild, wild west, man. It can happen. This happened in one day. And for those who got in up here with your life savings, they just blew their account, some of them. Hence the reason why we say dollar cost average. So don't get mad and send me no message with favors. You told us to get in, Doc. I did, but dollar cost average. You don't take your mortgage. You don't take your life savings. You don't sell your most everything coming into these markets. That's why we say DCA. So if I put small increments in every day, every week, every 2 weeks, and I come in down here, let me just come out the piece right here real quick and just share. Let me look at my account, because you know how y'all are. Y'all like, man, well, we want to know what's really real. So right now, I am still up 250% in my SHIB account, y'all. Let me make sure. Let me make sure. You say, well, how is that possible? Because of where I got in at. That's how that's possible. Yep. No, excuse me. 191%. My bad. I'm still up 190.92%, and it's moving. Okay. Still up. Y'all see the green. Still up. Why? Because I got in it down here. When it dropped back down, I got in some more. At these prices, you all. It's not rocket science, people, but you got to understand the market. So once again, this is not the time to get fearful. This is not the time to get afraid, you all. You just got to know. And once again, if you didn't see my other video last night, go and watch that video. And like I said, that's going to really shed some light on the subject. So here it is. Now, let me go back to Bitcoin and show you all something. Here's what I believe. I'm telling you. Price don't just move straight up like that, okay? So they went, retested. They had a lot of FOMO, fear missing out, people getting in the market, getting in the market, getting in the market. But I want you all to see something. This right here, it's going to move. But you see this line right here? Y'all pay attention to this line right here, man. Let me see. Let me see this. Y'all see that line right there? That's more akin to how the market moves. These straight up lines is news. You know, we had Super Tuesday today with elections and things of that nature. So we knew we was going to see some of this, but this is how the market moves. It moves up, down, up, down. Let me put y'all on some game real quick. Let me show y'all something, man. No, didn't mean to do that. Let me take him over here. Okay. So when we marking up charts, you all, I've been doing this for years. If y'all don't know how to mark up charts, man, then y'all need to come holler at me so we can get you all straight, right? So let me do this. I'm going to get a copy of this right here. Now I want you to see this. And I want you to say, this is what you're looking for. You're looking for these dips and these pullbacks, all right? We actually call these flag patterns. So the market moves in this way. It goes up, down, and then it creates what we call higher highs and higher lows. So let me explain to you what I'm talking about. Where's my other tool at? Right here. So look at this. It starts here. You go up, come down. Go up, come down. Right? Then it goes up. Not you. I want you. Let me see here. My tool acting funny. I need my mouse. I don't have my mouse. So anyway, it goes up, come down. Right here, right here, right here. These are considered lower highs. It's a low compared to this point, but it's still a high compared to this point. So it continues to move like that, and then it may move sideways. So the market moves in three ways: bullish, bearish, sideways. Sideways is accumulation or consolidation. You don't want to trade when that's happening. Okay. But I want you all to see now. Everybody who got in up here, sold down here. Now they're going to wait till it get back up here and jump in again, and the market going to do the same thing. But I believe now, seriously, I believe that Bitcoin is just retested to see what we're working with, but that is going to move past here. It's just not going to shoot up like everybody thought it would, but it's going to take its time. That gets rid of the fear of retail traders who don't know the markets. All right. So we see this all the time. And even last night in my last video, let me go back. I'm not even looking at you all comments. My bad, y'all. Okay, there y'all go. Y'all, let me know in the comments if y'all see what I'm saying with these highs and lows, highs and lower lows. So what's going to happen is, man, they could come up, it's going to go past here, and I believe it can hit these next levels easy. You know, people saying $1,000 all the way up here. This is 80. Make this smaller so you can see it. All the way up to these levels here because of the halving. But once again, y'all take the time to educate yourself. Now, let me also show you all this right here. This is what I was trying to show you all yesterday on the video. And this is a good site to go to. This is Coin Market Caps, all right? And you get a lot of information, y'all. Trading, when you talk about technical analysis, is always good for traders to understand the news, understand what's going on, understand your technical analysis. You got technicals, you got fundamentals. You want to understand the data so that you can make good, sound decisions, you all. That's what financial literacy is all about. So when I'm talking about we teaching mindset and we teaching strategies and things of that nature, that those things mean something. Do you all know how many books I had to read on how to trade Forex? I mean, seriously, in order to get my emotions under trap. Because if not, you'll overtrade. You'll get out too quick. You'll do all this. Y'all do me a favor and share the video for your boy too, man. Y'all don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I'm dropping some serious knowledge over here for you all. Okay, you got to understand that you have to study this skill set. You got to study to be good at anything. When I first started trading 8 years ago now, let me see, 15, 9 years. Wow. Been trading 9 years. Yeah, that makes sense. I wasn't that good, you all. Okay, I was trying to learn penny stocks. Seriously, I was watching movies, Wolf of Wall Street and Secret of My Success and stuff, and I just knew I needed to be in stocks, but I didn't have anyone to teach me, so it took me a minute to catch it. And then, but once I caught it, I caught it. So anyway, you all, you got to learn, you got to read these things, man. I got books and tools and all type of stuff to share with you. At any rate, though, look at Bitcoin is still sitting on top. Hour percent, 24-hour down 5.2, rising 7 days, still up. This is why my account, even in my Bitcoin, I'm still in the positive because of where I took my trade. I need you all to understand them. Ethereum is number 2. Look at these numbers. Look at the market caps, you all. Look at this. Look at all this. This is circulating supply, 19 million. Y'all see this? This is crazy. In 7 days, look at the spike. So in comparison, even right here, if you look at Bitcoin, in comparison to where it was at 20-something, to go up to 69 and pull back to 59, that's nothing for a trader who understands position trading and how to hold your piece for long-term gains. Now, if you're a gambler, don't get out of crypto. I'm gonna just be the one to tell you right now. If you're gambling and you're trying to make a quick pick, hey, get out. Because you can't time it. Now, if you're a scalper, I get it. I used to scalp trade, but it's very volatile. You got to have a serious, strong skill set if you're going to scalp in these big boy markets out here, all right? And if you've never traded an index called German 30, NAS 100, a US 30, I'm talking about those are big boy Forex trading pairs, man. And I've seen people blow $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, man, within 30 minutes. Candle shoot up, man. 3,000, 4,000 pips, and it's over. It's a wrap. Okay, so anyway, let me show you our Bitcoin here, Ethereum, then Tether, of course, BNB, Solana still up in the groove. Here you got SHIB down here, right? That's still, look at Shiba. Look at SHIB, y'all. This is what I'll be trying to tell you, all you scared traders that's panicking. Look at what's happening. Yeah, it pulled back. That's what's supposed to happen. Now, what happens in the pullback? Let me take you all back to the chart, because if you understand what I know, then you should have saw an opportunity. Let me tell you, see, when I see stuff like this, that's opportunity range right there. That is opportunity range, because every time it go up and pull back, these are your buy zones, people. I buy here. I buy here. Buy zones, y'all. When pull back, these are when you buy. Oh no, wait a minute. Wait. Oh my goodness. This, when you see a falling knife like that, you know that's news. But once again, you got to study. You got to know your technicals. You got to know candlestick patterns. You know, I teach y'all all this. I teach all this stuff. But anyway, you know, yeah. So this is what you got to learn. This is what you got to know, people. You got to know how to read these charts and understand these technicals. And TradingView is the platform that I'm on now. It's a good one. You all probably know that already. And the good thing about TradingView is it offers you some type of indicators down here, performances, if you scroll down. You see, you got market capitalization at 19.97 billion. You got trading 4 hours at 14.44 billion. People still in this thing. The ones who came down here who think like me said, ooh, I missed it up here. It's down here. Man, let me get some of that dough. That's what happened. Somebody said pull back like a, yeah. But look, it gave those who understand how to trade an opportunity. If you got in it from down here, anywhere in this range right here, look at where you up now. This, let me tell y'all something about this thing right here. Let me tell y'all something right here. From this zone to this zone right here, you now up 26%, 30% at the high. Do you not know, y'all, that that's major money for somebody who understands how to trade, y'all? Man, okay. All right. Maybe it's just me. All right. But anyway, I wanted to come on here and give you guys an encouraging piece to let you know this is not the time to panic, guys. I'm telling you. Where the market came like from here to here, it's already halfway back to the point. If you are in already, you stayed in like your boy. I took some profit and shifted it. So let me tell y'all what I did. I actually took some of my SHIB profit and I waited and went and put it in some more Bitcoin. Y'all don't play with your boy, man. I'm serious out here on the town, y'all. I took some of my SHIB profit because it was lower in rate and price. You all know what it is. And so some of those profits, it moved faster. Look here. Bitcoin is already back up in my portfolio. SHIB is already back up. Ethereum is not as where I wanted to be, but I got in it a little late, but even still. Everything, hey, this is what happens, man. You got to learn how to trade. This is what it is, okay? Now, and y'all see this. This is moving right before our eyes, guys. Let me put this on the hour chart so you all can see this move. Let me put this on a 15-minute chart so you all can see what's happening. Now, do you see it? You see it. Two huge run-ups. Look at this. Look at this. As fast as it came down, I'm telling you all, it's not the time to panic. It is called a regular pullback. A retracement is standard. These are what you call standard ops in the trading game, y'all. Okay. So I just wanted to show you all that. It's not the time to panic. If you know how to trade, you got in it. That was your opportunity. You still got a little bit more, and y'all see it happening right before your eyes. You see it happening. Okay. So, like I told you all, I was going to be doing some more of these videos, but this one was important because it's getting hot in here. This one was important because of what happened. And y'all know how we get. Sometimes people get fearful. They beginner traders. They really don't know what they're doing. So I wanted to come on here just to encourage the community. Now, I need y'all to do me a favor. I need you all to help this video get to 100 likes, man, so we can get the lives up and share the broadcast for real. Y'all getting something out of this, man? Let me know in the comments down below so I can keep on doing them. Y'all getting some out of these lives. Also, for those people who interested, I got a private Facebook group that you can hop in where I throw a few signals sometime, but for the most part, I got two, as a matter of fact. One for investment, but the one I'm referencing now is the one where we talk about mindset. In order to really see these trends and trade like this, you got to have what we call a financial consciousness. And it starts with reading books like Think and Grow Rich, man. I'm serious. Y'all see my bookmark. It starts with reading books like this so that you can get your mindset and your emotions and your behavior on the same page. If you're out of whack, you always going to throw your trade out of whack. You see? Even now, look at that right there. You see, that move right there will just scare the heebie-jeebies out of somebody. It don't bother me. Why? Because I understand the markets and I understand my position. I know what I'm here for. Once again, those are opportunities in my book, all right? So look, guys, this is what that is, man. Like I said, Doge did the same thing. These are my five. Let me look at XRP. I'm looking at XRP. XRP did the same thing. So no need to go through that. These are some of my other plays, man, that I'll talk about in terms of stocks. Won't talk about those right now because I specifically wanted to come on here and share with Bitcoin and SHIB. Those are the ones that we really get into. And of course, guys, hey, as always, man, let's stay positive on purpose. Do not get panicked. Don't get scared. Know why you're trading. Slow your emotions down, you all, and stick to the rules. I can't stress that enough. Look, I'm about to crank up again. You got to stick to the rules. You have to know the basics. Basic trading fundamentals, man. Don't get greedy. Don't over leverage yourself. Do not spend trying to get rich quick because you will get your feelings hurt. Hear me. You only supposed, let me tell y'all, when I train traders for real, when you starting off specifically, you only supposed to risk 1 to 3% of your overall account. That means you got to take your time to build your way up. See, when I first started trading Forex, man, I was the guy that learned how to trade and took $10 and turned it into $100. And then took $100 and turned it into $1,000. By the time I started learning how to take $1,000 and turn it into $10,000, my skill set proved well, and I started to grow massive teams in the platforms that we were on because it wasn't about the money. It was all about the skill set. It was about pips. It was about managing your emotions and understanding the psychology of it, really studying and getting into it. And every other trader who did the same thing went on to have great results. Those who didn't want it, just wanted to bypass it, who said, well, can you trade for me? No, I'm not a broker. I'm not going to trade and manage your account. I'm not that. You got to learn this skill like everyone else. But we did, and we got great, amazing results. So that's why we're here, guys. So anyway, let me just get off of here. Let me shut this down because I keep talking. Hey, for those of you who are new to the channel, I'm Doc Favors. My goal is to help struggling and new entrepreneurs understand and become essential to their environment so that they can create a life of freedom. Understand how to get around the woes and the challenges and the mishaps, okay? If you're someone who's looking for mentorship, coaching, or whatever, then I'll leave those 2 links, one for the Facebook group and one to book a strategy call with me. And let's just talk and see if we got a good fit for you, all right? That being said, you all, hey, I appreciate you all, man. Thanks for the thumbs up. Don't forget to drop some comments about the piece, and we'll see you next time.